Hey, it's me, Ifiok, and in this video, I'm going to give you a full demo of our brand new ADA bundle software. Now, this software helps you optimize your website and your clients' websites to be as compliant as possible. If your website is not ADA compliant right now, you are leaving yourself open for major lawsuits. This is why ADA Bundle is a must-have for every website owner today. And the beautiful thing is that ADA Bundle works in just 3 simple steps, and as such, anyone can use it to achieve maximum results. Step 1. Add your website URL to generate your accessibility profile and compliance pixel. Step 2. Customize your accessibility options. And Step 3. Copy the pixel code, add it to your website, and you are good to go. Let me show you in action. As you can see, this site right here is currently not compliant, okay? Using ADA Bundle, let's fix this website in just a couple of minutes. From my dashboard, I'll click on Widgets. Then click here to add the website URL. I'll just enter the URL right here, tick this checkbox, and then click on Add Website. Okay, nice. My compliance widget and profile has been successfully created. All right, let's go ahead now to customize our accessibility options. To do that, click on Settings. Right here under the Customize tab, you can fully customize your accessibility profile. But note that everything comes properly set up and ready to go by default. Over here, under the General option, you can set up a beautiful accessibility policy statement on your site. This is important and required as one of the compliance requirements, as it informs your site visitors of your level of compliance. From here, we can customize the widget button. Here, you have the Accessibility Mode option. Here, you can set up Epilepsy Safe Mode for your website. This option enables people with epilepsy to use the website safely by eliminating the risk of seizures that result from flashing or blinking animations and risky color combinations. You also have the Cognitive Disability Mode. This mode provides different assistive options to help users with cognitive impairments, such as dyslexia, autism, CVA, and others, to focus on the essential elements of the website more easily. Next is the ADHD-friendly mode, the blindness mode, and a host of other accessibility options, as you can see right here. Next is the Readable Experience option, which gives you accessibility options like text magnifier, highlight links, and a host of others. Here, you can customize the Visual Pleasing Experience option. This gives you accessibility options like contrast, monochrome, saturation, etc. And finally, you have the Easy Orientation Experience Accessibility option. From here, you can customize options like the text-to-speech, virtual keyboard, reading guide, and a host of others. As you can see, ADA Bundle gives you a lot of accessibility options that make your website as compliant as possible. All right. Once you are done customizing your accessibility profile, click on Save Widget, and then on Embed Script to grab your unique compliance pixel. So finally, we'll just have to paste this on the website and we're good. So I'll just head over to my website admin area. Take note, this is a WordPress-based site, but ADA Bundle works for any kind of site and on any kind of website builder. So I'll go over to Settings, click on Header and Footer Scripts, paste the code right here, and click on Save. Remember, this is all happening in real time. As you can see, it's super quick and easy. Anyone can do it, and it takes only a few minutes. All right, let's have a second look at the website now. Awesome! I now have a compliance widget that makes my website accessible and compliant. All you need to do is click on the widget and the accessibility options pop up. With these options, anyone with a hearing disability or anyone using a listening aid or a hearing aid or a viewing aid can click right here and they can do different settings for ADA compliance, and that way, the website is now way more accessible for anyone that has any potential disabilities. Let's quickly go over a few of them. Virtual keyboard, text-to-speech,
we help render your website and web content ADA compliant.
reading guide, big cursor, highlight links, dark contrast, and a host of others, as you can see. Now, how quick and easy was that to set up? From the Settings area, you can further customize your accessibility profile. You can choose where you want the widget to come up on your site. To do that, head over to Customize and click on Widget button. You can change its position, increase or reduce widget size, and give it a different color that will fit perfectly with the color of your website. You can even add an entrance animation effect. How cool is that? And all the changes are updated in real time. See? Are you not blown away by how easy it is to set things up and get your or your client's website as compliant as possible? I'm sure you are. Now, to further sweeten this deal, I've left some of the coolest things for last. ADA Bundle comes with the ability to search, find, and close local business owners whose websites are not compliant, and charge them as much as $4,000 to $15,000 to help them become compliant. How awesome is that? Based on our research and obvious realities on ground, we know that the demand for ADA compliant services is on the rise as businesses and website owners really need help to avoid lawsuits. So we weaved the Business Finder and Compliance Audit feature into ADA Bundle. Here's how it works. From the dashboard over here, click on Business Finder. Enter a keyword, say hotel, and click search. The robust business search database will pull up a list of hotels with detailed records like their website, email, phone number, location, and a lot of other useful information. So all you need to do is click on Generate a Report or simply grab the website URL, head back to the dashboard, and click on Reports. Click on Generate Report, enter the website URL, and hit Generate. Immediately, the ADA Bundle website review tool will swing into action and do a quick and deep audit on the website for accessibility compliance. Once done, you can click to view the report. You can copy the shareable link, or better still, you can download it to your local device. As you can see, this website has a high number of accessibility violations, which means it's exposed and could be sued for major lawsuits. The report is detailed and shows the violations and what they entail. And it's structured into 3 levels of compliance required: the A, AA, and AAA. So with this beautiful and factual report, you can contact the website or business owner using the contact details obtained from the business search result and offer your accessibility services for a fee. ADA consultants and web designers are charging a minimum of $4,000 for the most basic ADA optimization service. And the beautiful thing is that this can all be done from the comfort of your home. You can carry out the audit, download the report, and send it by email alongside your proposal. This is a great opportunity and a unique and brand new service that you can actually sell to local businesses easily because they need it. Plus, there are not many competitors to contend with. You'll be closing clients left and right. If you check our sales page, you'll see all the different lawsuits that businesses are being hit with. And with this right here, as you've seen, ADA Bundle can help your businesses get optimized in just a few minutes. Do not sleep on this deal. It has every potential of being the biggest opportunity you'll get this year. So jump in right now. And amazingly, it's going for a low one-time fee. It comes with premium and custom bonuses, video training, and articles, all to guarantee you succeed with it. And on top of that, we're backing up the offer with a 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. It just can't get any better than this, period. Act now. I can't wait to see you inside the members area.